So here's how to fix easy and tight sheet not installed on Steam games when you're trying to open your Steam games. So first what we want to do is open Steam and then go to the library and then find the game that you're having trouble with the easy and tight sheet. So for example this game. Now you want to right click on it and then click manage and then browse local files. Now inside of here you should see a easy and tight sheet folder, so you'll simply double click on it and then you should see easy and tight sheet underscore AOS underscore setup. You want to right click on this and choose create shortcut. Now you want to select the shortcut you have created. Then you want to click on the shortcut, right click on it and then go to properties. And now you want to select the target box, text box, and then go to the end and then make a space and then type install space prod hyphen fn like this. Install space prod hyphen fn. Then click on apply and OK. Next, run click on the shortcut we have created and then click on run as administrator. Click on it and then confirm to run it. And that should run a command line real quick. Now once that process is complete, you can delete this shortcut and then you want to close the folder and try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. Now if the issue still persists, what you can do is right click on the game, go to properties and then installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files and then wait for this process to finish verifying and repairing game files. Now once it's completed, you can simply press launch or play to launch the game again, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.